Hi there, and in today's video I will show you how to set up Face ID password on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. So, as a first step, open settings on your phone and scroll down until you will see this tab named Security and Privacy. Click on it. Here, choose Biometrics and Face Recognition. Enter your current PIN code and click Continue. After this, you would need to take your phone and point it on yourself so the phone can remember you and you'll be able to unlock your phone with the help of your face. Click Continue and point the camera on yourself and wait until the record is done. After you are done with the setup, you'd be able to see some settings right here, for example, require open eyes or bright screen. And now let's try to unlock our phone with the help of this function. So we would need to point the phone on ourselves and turn it on. And as you can see, I successfully unlocked my phone with the help of this face recognition function. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.